Hi, my name is Ari Levitt, and I'm a world-class social partner dance instructor and a medical doctor from Seattle, Washington. And I would love to invite you to join us for a magical and wonderful weekend of music, movement, and dance that is probably unlike anything you might have taken before. For people who've never danced, this is the incredible stuff that allows you to connect with another person through movement and dance, but in a way that is oftentimes invisible and still has the same rules and applications that you can apply off the dance floor if you want to go into much deeper connections with somebody. If you do have experience in partner dancing, this is also an amazing workshop that is for you, because it is something that you may not have ever experienced in group partner dances that focus on footwork, but will completely transform the way you think about how you and your partner move together. So I would love to invite you all to join us for a wonderful and magical and musical weekend. I look forward to seeing you there.